Yeah, hello guys. Now, this is again looking at GBP USD from the 15-minute chart. What we did earlier was a 1 hour chart, and honestly, I still believe that price is going to come to this zone here or here because I've traded GBP. I'm very careful with it. All right, so it's not something I recommend jumping into. But you can see that on the 15-minute, there's a structure right here. There's a structure right here, and it seems like that structure is uh, is being respected at the moment. But I will not count on it. Here is what I will do: instead of placing a trade here, currently where price is right now, if price doesn't go up, if price doesn't go to where we marked up earlier, this is what I would prefer to do. I prefer to wait for another structure because once price breaks this low, once price comes now, break this low, it will give us another structure here. Once price comes below this point, it and breaks this low, it will pull back to give us another structure here. Then I'll be looking to take a trade here or a sell. So if price doesn't go all the way here on top here or on top here, and it happens to break under here, I would expect that price will retest over here and then sell through here. So I would not want to trade in between this place now where price is trapped. Trading here right now is sort of risky because price can go shoot up to this zone or even shoot up to this zone. So it's a risky place. All right. So instead of that, I rather hold on and wait for price to break under this point so that I can look for a retest there and then make a sell. Okay. So let's see if we can see one or two other pairs to trade to what we could look at here. So this is USD JPY, USD JPY. Let's check the 1 hour. Let's see what this looks like on the 1 hour. Okay. So this is one of our previous markups that's really just played out according to market structure. Okay. Did very well with market structure. So let's look at right now we are seeing a sell towards the downside. We are seeing a sell towards the downside. Okay. So let's see if this is going to likely continue downwards or something is about to change. Okay. So definitely what we have now is we have a structure here. We have a structure here. So right now we have a structure here. Okay, so what we'll be looking for here now is a trade at this point, a trade at this structure. All right, so we said before that whenever a structure is broken, it is going to most likely be retested and then it will pull back. Then it will be retested and then it will sell off. All right, so this is what I'm expecting right now to see in this is what I'm expecting right now to see on USD JPY. But let's check on 15 minutes. Let's see if we'll have a slimmer place for the structure. Okay. So let's see what we'll see here on the 15 minutes. We said this can be done on 15 minutes or 1 hour on both or on both. So I like looking at both, you know, so as not to miss something. All right, so we look at this and then see all this. Okay. So we can see the blue strip over here is the previous structure. So As long as price doesn't break that structure at that point, we are not, there is no uptrend. There is no uptrend at all. All right, so come here, okay? So when we come down here like this, we are most likely seeing a structure because we are seeing a low, lower low. You see, this is a low, this is a lower low, this is a lower low. So this is what I would, on the 15 minutes, I'll be seeing, I'm seeing some kind of a structure around here. Some kind of a structure around here, okay? So that's on the 15 minute, I'm seeing a structure around there. And then it looks like price already came to that structure now. So in the case that we have missed this trade, assuming price doesn't come all the way back here, like we're on the 1 hour to this 1 hour structure, if price doesn't come all the way there, what we will do now is this. We will wait for price to break this low. We will wait for price to break this low and then give us a retest. We'll see something like this. Break this low. We'll wait for price to break this low and give us another structure. Break this low, give us another structure. We're not going to get into any trade now. We're not going to say, okay, let's buy. No, we're not buying, we're not selling. This is not a good place to trade. So what we'll do is we'll hold on. We'll hold on. If price doesn't retrace here, I think that price is most likely going to come back to this zone and then sell off because it's been selling off for a very long time. You see, guys, it's been selling off for a very long time. So typically, we'll see some kind of a pullback somewhere here before it falls. But if it doesn't fall there, then we'll wait for it to break here. We have to see a candle, strong candle, break through this point, then give us another structure here. Then we'll go and we'll place it. That's where we'll now sell under this point, under. Okay, so that's what it is, guys. I'll see you guys on the next video.